Weltron 2001 that has a non-functioning tape player. The radio is working. Tape. Switch to tape. Insert cassette. Nothing is happening. And check the belt. The belt is actually intact. So there's something else I figure out. That's just electronics here. If I short that, it will actually work. So what I'm gonna do is just sand it. Sanding with some semi-fine grit sandpaper on both sides. Sure I don't remove the little foam there. Oh yes! You can see the solenoid in there. What we're actually doing is moving the tape head up and down. You can see it's going down and up again. Quite fascinating.